Alright, this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial about colors. So the first thing you need to know about colors is there's a statement that you write in your program somewhere that sets up the fill color for your program. And you can have multiple statements like that, but that is a pervasive value. So if I have multiple rectangles, like this one that'll go all the way across the screen, see how that is coloring that rectangle? And this one, which will just be in the upper left corner of the screen, they're both the same color. So if I want this to be a different color, then I just put a new fill statement. And as soon as you type FILL open parentheses, then it auto-completes all of this. So you're set up with the default color, which is red. And it's red because this is the red value, this is the green value, and this is the blue value. So you put in a number between 0 and 255, and that specifies how much of that color you want. So if I put in a smaller number here, then it's darker because 0 of any of those three kinds of light is no light at all, so it's blackness. Whereas if you put all of them to be 255, then you'll get white. And notice how red, green, and blue are not the primary colors. That's because mixing paint is very different from having a pixel emit a certain kind of light. So just be aware of that. It's not the same as mixing paint. This isn't what you would, this yellow is not the color that you would get if you mixed equal amounts of red and green paint. So the next thing to know about setting up colors is how to use this little interface right here. As soon as you have a complete fill statement and you have your mouse selecting it, a box will pop up next to it. And then you can use this box to just manually select a color and not have to know the numbers that are associated with that color, so you can see the result. And the result is this color that's right inside of this circle right here. That's what will display on the shape. And as you can see, all I can select is various shades of that yellow color. So this is what I like to call the base color. And you select a base color by dragging this slider up and down. And then from that base color, you select a grayscale. And the way that this area over here works is it starts with the base color up in this corner and picks values between white and the base color. And then in this dimension, it picks values between the color at this pixel and black. So all of the different base colors will have what we call an interpolation between the base color and white and black. And I guess that's about all I have to say for that. Let me know if you have any questions. That's how you fill your shapes.